Extremely important for you to pay attention to this type of stuff. Jamie Dimon clearly says that they are going to be replacing bankers with AI technology. Now, the exciting part about this is there'll be an opportunity, or there's an opportunity right now, for us to invest in the new infrastructure and position ourselves. Here's the negative side of it. Is the part that people are not paying attention to is how AI is going to transition and create a massive reskilling of jobs. So there's two schools of thought. One school is saying that AI is going to create a bunch of jobs. Yes, it will in the future when people get reskilled. But in the transition, as Jamie Dimon's saying here, it's initially going to replace jobs. Here's the massive tailwinds. The middle class is experiencing a debt crisis right now. Credit cards are stacked. Auto loans are the highest delinquency in history. Straits of Hormuz are still closed. Inflation's going up. The 30-year bond is at 5% and climbing, which is going to raise interest rates as AI technology is coming in to replace jobs in the interim as we reskill into the new economy. So after 2030, you are going to be in a brand new economy, leveraged towards AI, technology, crypto. So right now, the great news is you can position yourself in the proper investments. Number two is you have to be patient. And number three is when you profit from these investments, build the infrastructure. Apple, Amazon, Google, some of you will have that type of moment. We've experienced it once already with XRP. My XRP I've been holding since 2020. Trump got elected and went up 800%. I've had moments like that 2020 to 2022, but what I didn't do is watch it go up and go down. I held some on the table for long term and big cycles, and I pulled some off the table, and this is what you should do. Number one is create cash flow streams outside of your current job. Cash flow, you make money while you sleep, like dividend stocks. That's an example. You put money into a dividend stock and it creates income while you sleep. Then you take the income outside of debts and non-negotiables and the income from those assets that are producing, and you put it into assets, this is key, that beat inflation. Okay, we're going to continue to have inflation if the straits stay closed. So gas is going to get more expensive and your dollar is going to lose value. So when you understand your dollar's debt's going to lose value, you start putting your money into assets that beat inflation. So just do research. What assets beat inflation? Gold, silver, I like Bitcoin, XRP. Then again, when those profits, you pull and you build an ecosystem. So that's why we're always smiling in red and smiling in green, because we're middle ground. We win in recessions because we buy good companies, good cryptos at a fair price. And we win in bull markets because we pull profits to feed the ecosystem. That's how winning is done. You got to protect your wealth. Okay, so pay attention to these narratives right here. Don't sit on the sidelines. Start to study. Spend at least 20 minutes a day studying this. Ask yourself, are you positioned for the new system? Are you in assets that are going to beat inflation? And do you have a system to navigate one of the biggest wealth transfer